Greetings, class. The purpose of this video is to share more information about the technology and our informatics presentation. As you are well aware, there are a significant number of technologies impacting healthcare. It is important for you as a professional to keep well informed of these technologies. The first step to this assignment is to select a technology that is transforming patient care. I would recommend that you select a technology that you are passionate about and one that you are interested in learning more about. There are a number of examples on the worksheet. Other examples may include iCloud technology, artificial intelligence, automated IV pumps, mobile technology, and wearable devices. For this presentation, you will construct a voiceover for each slide and deliver the presentation as though you were giving a talk to a group of future healthcare leaders. The presentation should have a minimum of 10 slides, not including the introduction or reference slides. At least 3 references should be integrated into your presentation. These references should be both credible and peer-reviewed. When we look at the rubric, this presentation will be evaluated both on content, organization, style, and mechanics. It will be important that you cover key elements with appropriate content. I would recommend that you discuss the advantages and the disadvantages of the technology, the ethical and legal concerns relative to the technology, future direction, etc. All major points should be supported by detail and examples. Slides should contain appropriate amount of content. Be certain that you again include both an introduction and a conclusion that integrates the critical points from the presentation. Proper format is expected using APA. I would encourage you to spell check and to grammar check your presentation. Please do review the guidelines for this presentation and do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you so much.